So now can I start on the stuffing?
You may.
Good. I started my stuffing here. I have chopped onion, chopped celery, chopped mushroom, oil, a little bit of butter. Into this, I'm going to put some sage. And this, I'm going to cut it coarsely. You want like a good 2-3 tablespoons in our stuffing here. We're going to put a bit of link sausage here, but don't forget to remove the skin of those. You know, those are breakfast sausage. And we have about 8 ounces of it here. And then you have some cornbread for me?
I have a whole lot of cornbread here.
Good. Well, this is our base, the cornbread. This was homemade, but I'm sure you can buy some, right?
I think the box top recipe is great for it.
Yeah, that's fine. I'm going to add that to the stuffing here.
Good.
And we'll put the bread directly in a bowl. So what I need to have in there is some chicken stock. I'll put like about a cup. And that's ready to add to the bread.
I have my vegetables tender. And the meat is partially browned now. I think having a good stock makes an awful lot of difference. Having a great gravy.
I like that stuffing when it's a little bit loose, you know? So, it's time for me to stuff the legs. So here they are. You would normally wait for this to be totally cold. I mean, it's a little bit lukewarm now. So I'll put a bit of pepper, salt in it. And like a cup of stuffing there. And as I say, if one of them you want to have some fresh herbs, just saute some fresh herb, different thing in it, you can put that only in it. You could, of course, sew it together. You can put it in a sheet cloth. I think one of the easiest ways is to put it in a piece of aluminum foil. Maybe about that size. I want to measure it. About like this.
And then that's going to hold together and you can take the foil off.
Yes, I think you would want to cook it a good hour, you know, this way, so that it
nice
holds
and neat
together.
package.
And you don't even close the end of it, so the heat can go in there, you know, and continue cooking.